Hi, this is Scott Lindsay from Excel Automation, and this is another example of a tool we developed in Excel for one of our clients to do some modelling for particular aspects of their business. In this case, it was a concreting organisation, and it revolved around a series of uploads. The first one would be the stock levels that were currently in place for the particular facility, and so you could choose a facility and upload those stock levels. And then also the sales forecast for the period into the future. That could also be uploaded for each of the various plants. And then once that was done, based on some data in the reference areas for settings and production modes, you could run a model. And so in case of this particular set, we've only got one example to show. And we'll choose the stock level data and the sales forecast data, and then we'll run the forecast of where we want to see into the future. In this case, it's just 21 days. So we click Run Model, and it'll go pick all that data up and then forecast out where things will be based on the production modes that are in place and various other parameters. And you can keep running those models each time you want to extend out. If you had different types of production modes you might have in place for this particular business, and then we give you a model for each of those and give information for them to determine if that's the right setting and what they can expect in terms of sales. So that's another example of forecasting and modeling tool that we developed for another client.